What's up everybody, Matt Steinman here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to take a full page screen capture where it captures the entire page. So a lot of people like to take screen captures of funnels and some of them are pretty long. So I'm going to show you how to take a full page capture with a Chrome extension and then add that screen capture into a huge visual artboard that I love using. So it's going to be a quick video, a couple tools here that you need to download, and everything is free. So let's jump on into it. So here we go, guys. Here is the Chrome extension that you need to get. I will leave a link down below in the description here. It's just a full page screen capture, it's called. As you can see, there's 3.5 million users, so it's probably one of the more popular ones. You're going to get a different screen here probably because I already have it installed on Chrome. So just go ahead and install it. And then you'll see it up here in the upper right hand corner of Chrome, full page screen capture. It's just a little camera icon. So we're going to close on out of that for now. And this is the page that we're going to capture. So as you can see, it's pretty long. We want to capture this for future reference, just because there's some pretty incredible copy here, the design, something we might want to refer to later on when we're building our own sales funnels. So I'm just going to click on the camera icon here, the Chrome extension, and it's going to automatically scroll through the entire page for me and capture it. So this one's pretty long, so it might take 30 seconds or so to actually capture it. So let it scroll here. And there is my full page screen capture. So you can see there's a couple different options over here. You can download it as a PDF, delete the image. You can download it as a PNG, but we're simply going to right click and say copy image. And I'm going to go over to Adobe XD here. So this is the kind of the visual artboard where I've started collecting these different funnels. So there's different types of funnels that I'm starting to collect, but for this video, I'm just going to show you how to put it in this Adobe XD program. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control V on Mac to paste. And there it is. What I like to do here is, let's just say we want a width of, I usually put around 250. As you can see, it's tiny. You're not going to be able to read it, but the cool thing with Adobe XD is you can zoom in as far as you want, and it's gonna, obviously show you the page that you just captured. So there it is, guys. That's it. Now you can organize it however you want. You can see that full page there. It's pretty sweet. That's pretty much it, guys. You can organize these boards however you want, but maybe I'll show you an additional Adobe XD video later on. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. We'll see you soon, guys.